Hi there, this is just a quick awareness video about these dehumidifier pads from Ultimate Speed. Being winter in our part of the world, there's lots of moisture in the cars especially, and that transfers into having fogged up windows and sometimes even ice on the inside of the windshield or on the windows of the doors. So that kind of sucks, and you do not want that affecting your visibility, and you need to scrape it off, clean it up before you leave. But with these things absorbing humidity in the air in the car overnight, I never ever had any frost on the inside of the car, neither in my car or my wife's car. Zero frost, and really rarely we had a bit of fogging, and that's when the I don't know, the humidity in the AC installation comes all at once inside the car for a few moments, and then it clears up again if you put I don't know, full blast of the fan or something. It clears up and then absolutely no issue. But in the previous years, before we started using these things, yes, we really like them, and I will link videos in the description for all of them. All work really well. The more expensive ones are a bit nicer. I recommend you get bigger ones. The 500 gram ones are, if you want to put them in all four doors, for example, then it's great to have these things. If not, bigger ones. I don't recommend you leave them on the dash because they can fall and get under your pedals, and that's the last thing you want. These My Project ones, the material on them is way uglier, so you do not really want, even in the doors, they are not as nice to see them. But yeah, anyway, it is what it is. Probably these things, Ultimate Speeds, have the same material, and these are actually 500 gram ones, like this thingy, because these ones we need for the rear doors in the car, and those have smaller compartments for anything like this. And yeah, normally we are quite okay with what we have already, but we just want a tiny bit more. Maybe we will never have any sort of fog if we add just a tiny bit more. And obviously you can use them in your shop, in closets, wherever you feel that you have a bit too much humidity. Not in a whole room. These do not take the place, or in the bathroom, this do not take the place of a full dehumidifier. That's a different thing. But in a closet somewhere, in a little bit of a corner where you see, you feel it with your hand, just a tiny bit of moisture on things, one of these could help quite a lot. Let's see, do we have any English anywhere? Right here. Mold, condensation, odors, mildew stains, yep. Home car, workshop, caravan, boat, storage room, archives, cellar or garden sheds. They went all out on this. They put everything in here. Natural granules, gentle on the environment, yeah. Electrical appliances and clothing from moisture. Okay, I guess. Fogged windows, yep, that's for what we will be using them, and we are already using, but we just wanted that bit more. And to dry them, you have a few variants. In the microwave, 2 times 5 minutes at 800 watts, and you give them in between 15 minutes to cool down. But I don't really use this variant. For me it's easier. I just pop this on the radiator inside the house for 1 or 2 days, and it's completely dry again to be used. Yes, the humidity in it will come into my house, but it's already quite dry inside the house from the radiators in the winter, so it doesn't bother me at all. And yes, in them there are, I don't know, there are some beads. Maybe you can see the granules, the shape of them a bit here. Like in those small packs that you can see inside shoe boxes, inside some electronics boxes when you buy them. These things basically some kind of silica beads or something like that, absorb really well humidity. Keep it in, and when you heat them up, they release it, and they are good to be reused once again. So yeah, pretty cool concept to keep the car fog free, but don't put them like this. No, because if they fall under your pedals, you have a big issue. I've seen people have them on the dashboard. I wouldn't do that. If you have any storage that's open and you can put it in there, that's fine, but directly on top of it, yeah, I wouldn't do that for sure. Yeah, this box doesn't seem to have any obvious way of opening, so I just ripped it. So there's that. Let's see what we have here. Ultimate Speed. And yes, it's nice they can come sealed, because they are ready to use. If they were not sealed, they would actually absorb moisture from the air in the store and in the storage where they are kept, so you need to dry them first. But if they are sealed, you can directly use them. It would have been really funny if they would put with them one of those tiny packs to keep them dry. So to keep the drying device dry with another drying device. Anyway, I digress. So let me cut this. And yes, they are 99% same thing as the My Project ones that I previously got, just smaller again. Does it say on them minimum 600 grams? Okay. Okay, you can weigh them to see if they need to be dried or not. I don't do that. Just from time to time I simply dry them and be done with it. I'm not going to start weighing this thing. Hey, is it full? No, I will keep it for one more weekend. Then when I have time over the weekend, I just take it out, put it on the radiator, it dries up, then put it back in the car, and I'm done with it. And you start, when you are used to them, you start to feel it with your hand. If it seems a bit humid, cold to the touch, even if the car is decently warm, then yeah, probably you need to dry it. When they are completely dry, they tend to be neutral to the touch, not cold at all. And yes, Ultimate Speed Lidl or Kaufland basically have this 500 gram set, and at the same price directly one something like this in length, I think more or less 1 kilogram, like I had the big ones before that I showed you. And that's about it for this video. It's just mostly awareness. These things exist, you can buy them quite cheaply, they work, but don't think you just will put in one car one of these and it's going to do miracles. It won't. You could see how many we basically have inside the cars, but when they are that many, they actually work freaking well and help a lot with visibility, especially in cold and wet seasons. So yeah, that's about it. Hope this video helps you, in which case please give it a like, subscribe, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one.